Good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here for the second match of the night. We currently have the Barrier Ballers versus T6, and I'm joined by my co-commentator Ramesh Nasir, aka Kamish. Kamish, क्या लग रहा है क्या होने वाला है यहाँ पे?
Yeah, I feel like Bahia is a very strong team, and I feel like
यार मुझे थोड़ी watered down version लग रही है भैया की. Where's all the big guys? नकाश कहाँ है?
yeah, I've heard Nakash is no longer on the team. I mean, that's what I heard from Zuni, and Zuni might be leaving for Lahore permanently as well, from what I've heard from him. Bahia is looking like a smaller team from before, but I still think they'll be dominant in C2.
Well, one can hope, man. We're looking for an interesting game tonight.
आज पता चलेगा ना MMR क्या करता है आज.
Oh yeah, MMR, welcome to the Big Boy League.
All right. Yeah, but I think Ans already gave him a tip off. One by. Oh no, there was a. No one took it. There's gonna be a rear jump ball.
Let's go.
Again, okay. Oh, a fast break for Ali Hassan. And that's just easy. I don't know where T6 was. Caught lacking. I think that's a play that Barry has practiced at the tip off. Ali Hassan was ready for that play. It's Khatak to MMR. MMR surveying. Back to Khatak. Back to MMR. Fakes. Goes in. And a wild looking jumper. Rebound MMR. MMR to Red. C2 MVP. Oh,
यार ये MMR और Red का combo बड़ा interesting है यार. There's like a very quick guy for rebounds, and then this, ladies and gentlemen, because it calls him Batman and Robin.
man, I feel like it's the first weekend, so the teams are going to struggle a little bit. There's going to be a bit of issue with, rotations, chemistry, and all of that. I think we'll see players more playing up to their potential as the season goes on. I think the first few weekends will be for the teams to figure out, what works, what doesn't. They have new signings. And yeah, for the C2 teams have never played on this court before because the playoffs happened here last season, and that was primarily C1 teams. And the C2 teams that made it to the playoffs are now in C1. So it's a new experience for
Thank you, Professor,
everybody involved.
for that explanation. Yeah, but Ramesh, let's talk about the card for the rest of the weekend while we're dealing with this technical difficulty. You guys have a difficult task ahead. The Mambas versus the Sabres. Sabres with the new signings. You guys with the...
Yeah, I feel like we kind of do the short straw. We have the toughest matchup.
No, no,
I
but I
think
mean, your guys are
uh,
most of your guys are coming off a championship from RBL, so like
that's true.
that should be some momentum.
Yeah, there is some momentum, but I feel like we have new signings. We have Bhakti coming back. It's a strong team this time around as well.
So what's the deal with Bhaktiar, bro? He stays for a season, leaves for a season, stays for a season. He क्या चल रहा है?
Yeah, Bhakti wants a team that kind of plays around him, and now we're trying to build around him. Let's see.
I mean, shouldn't you guys be building around Rahib?
I mean, Roheb's also there, and but in this heat, what do you expect? Like in this heat, it's hard for players to play entire matches. And Bhakti used to be a dominant force back in the day. Assalamu alaikum. आप नहीं खेल रहे? Joined by AK-47 in the building. But yeah, I feel like Sabres didn't want to play us and we didn't want to play Sabres. It's kind of like that. Oh, Zuni with a beautiful, beautiful reverse layup. I think 4-0 to the Bahia Ballers.
Yeah, who do you think is the best player on this team right now?
On this team,
On
meaning?
Bahia.
On Bahia. On, but he's not on the court right now.
No, on the court, on 5 on the court right now.
5 on the court, Zunair. It's Zunair by far, and then it's a toss up between Danish or Ali.
I see.
Because Dani is a better mid range shooter and Ali is a better 3 pointer shooter. And
Well, what do you think T6 has got to do to stay in this game? अभी 4-0 चल रहा है मुझे बहुत खतरनाक लग रहा है.
yeah, I think T6 are the underdogs because Bahia is clearly a C1 level team. They made a few mistakes, which is why they're in C2. I think they took the Mavs way too lightly, and 2 to 3 of their starters didn't show up for that match.
Yeah,
And
plus you guys also have a blockbuster game against them, and That was a relegation game, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, yeah. It was whichever team wins stays, and that was a really stressful situation for the Mambas to be in. I don't ever want to be in that situation again.
I don't think anyone wants to be in that situation, bro. Triple S has been in it. You guys have been in it. Countless others before you.
Yeah, but that's like because C1's gotten stronger year on year, right? Like season on season. Oh wow, beautiful reverse. He almost gets it. And Danish is a very calm player, and he's got a good stroke from there. There
Oh,
we go.
wow.
There we go. He has a good stroke from there. He makes it. He
Oh,
makes it
that
on
was so
different
strong,
courts.
bro. He just threw that and went in.
But I played with him in like pickups. I played with him in like different जो छोटे tournament होते हैं. ये मारता है हर court पे मारता है. It's not like सिर्फ lob के court पे
Yeah,
मार
guys
रहा
are
है.
very scrappy, bro. These guys are like
Yeah,
hard
yeah,
nosed. They're hard
yeah.
hitters.
Yeah, ये अंदर से ये मारते हैं. They know it's a contact game.
Ooh,
See, even
blocked.
there, that's a crazy block. These guys are kind of grungy, like T6 are still younger. These guys are older. They all work.
Yeah.
They're now. I think the average age of the team is now 24.
Okay, yeah,
Bahia.
but what's it called? Bahia doesn't look like it has a big bench.
Yeah, Bahia is a bit
थोड़ा कम लोग हैं.
light this season. I think they only have a squad of 13.
Bahia light.
Yeah. I mean, no Nakash automatically lighter हो गई है. अबे, मार गया.
Pun intended. As you said, he went flying into the air for a layup.
भाई गुज्जर खतरनाक. अच्छा गुज्जर का ये सीन है, अगर इसके 2 तिक्कियां चली गई ना तो ये और मारता रहेगा. अगर ये नहीं मारता तो ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं मारेगा.
बड़ी
That's
अच्छी
something I
scouting
noticed.
report है तुम्हारी भाई.
He's a very streaky shooter. I did it for the last match. He's a streaky as hell
Oh,
shooter.
damn.
Yeah.
All right, finally T6 have cracked the egg.
And Ali with the ball, progressing it up the floor. Here's a pick from Zuni. He drops it into the free throw. He goes, and he's so tall, he could just take it. But
No,
no,
if I was Reese,
Danish.
I'd dunk it every time.
I told you, there's that stroke again. That's a C1 level stroke.
47-62.
Come on, MMR, do something. Entertain us.
Yeah, I think MMR needs to step up.
Oh, he's calling for the ball. He's calling for the ball. Okay, not getting the ball. Okay, now he got it.
it. They don't have anything going on play-wise.
And there!
Wow!
Thank you.
On
Thank
demand,
you. Yeah,
MMR.
high five.
MMR on demand, yeah, crazy.
Yeah, if I say it every time, will you do it?
Acrobatically, man, acrobatic.
He was like, I will entertain you. I will give you a show.
क्या हुआ?
Gujjar with his customary 3. He misses the first one, not his day today.
Alright, drawing the floor. Will he take it for the...
Oh, that's a foul.
That's a foul.
That's probably on Ali.
That's like 6 hands right there.
I think Ali is going to claim it. He wants his big guys to stay out of trouble. It could have been a double.
Okay, let's also talk about a couple of other games on the card. So, what do you think is going to happen with Omega versus Raiders? That's going to be very interesting, I think.
I think it's interesting. It really depends how close it's going to be. It's going to depend on their new signing ahead. Is he
Yeah.
showing up? If he doesn't show up, it's going to be a little one-sided.
You think?
Yeah.
I don't know, man. Raiders are coming in this season with their head held high. They look like they really want it.
I mean, yeah, they're great kids, and I think they're part of the future of the league. But to beat Omega's a tough squad, man.
Yeah, they're a tough squad, bro.
Omega's a tough squad.
They're just that guy that doesn't go away.
Yeah. They work on it, right? Like they work on their
Bro,
craft
it's
to
like,
show up.
they're like that horror movie. You just kill that guy, he just keeps coming back. He keeps coming back.
And I think because of the experience, Omega le jayegi, which is why I think Ahead will make a big difference because we're experienced players.
Yeah, but they also need to learn how to pass the ball to ahead.
I mean, if he shows up, they'll learn eventually, right?
Hopefully.
I would hope so. No, I have trust in Mubashir. I have trust in Mubashir.
All
He's
right,
a-
MMR. MMR, do it.
Oh wow! MMR acrobatic.
I think I should just get like a PS5 controller to just control MMR. Because like every time I'm doing it, he's scoring. Every time I'm calling it out.
Khan, Dani with the ball. He's slowed it down. He looks for the drive. That's closed off to him. Zuni gets the ball and easy midi. Oh, too easy. Too easy.
Good shot. Good
Too
shot.
easy. He's so much taller than the other forwards.
Yeah,
The
man.
size really matters in
Yeah,
basketball.
man. Bahia is still like much bigger as compared to T6.
Yeah, and they have good height across the board. I think their shortest player is what 5'10", 5'9",
Yeah. All right, let's apply now.
and their tallest player is at least 6'3". I think Zuni.
Yeah.
Zuni's quite tall and he's
Oh,
lanky.
whoa.
There's
Oh,
no way.
that was a
Kyrie.
good step through, but couldn't do it.
Nobody's running. Old legs.
Yeah, I think they're tired now.
And I don't see much on their bench.
Yeah, you see the fanboys taking pictures.
Yeah, I don't see any guards on their bench, honestly, that could replace. I think Ali and Dani are going to have to give big minutes. Yeah, Khan with a great reception. And he just shoots.
Oh, air ball.
A little off, but oh, good jar.
And they all have good moves, it's not finishing.
Yeah.
Right, Ored trying to play with the big boys. And Kyrie, oh no.
Kyrie, beautiful looking jumper, just a little bit off.
What's Kyrie's actual name? I keep forgetting.
Altamash Khatak.
Altamash.
Altamash.
Oh, just couldn't keep it in his hands. क्या लग रहा है यार close game तो है अभी से. It's not
Yeah,
that good of a
MMR's
match.
brought it back, but I feel like how long does he have the legs to keep it up? His other teammates have to really step up, or he has to get them more involved.
MMR devours protein every single day. He has the legs.
Yeah, man, jacked MMR is a different beast.
He hasn't been jacked MMR for that long. It's only been like what, a year?
A year.
I remember the first time when he turned to jacked MMR.
Yo, he's short and stocky, and that's easy to put on muscle on that frame, and he's using that to his advantage. अब height नहीं निकाल सकता, body तो बना सकते हो. Alright, serving. MMR. Step back three. Oof, that wasn't that far away. Khan comes up
MMR, will
with
you just score every time I say so?
Good
okay,
job.
go score
Then
on the
Ali.
next bucket.
Ali with the ball, progressing. There's no urgency here. They don't need to. They can just take their time, poke at their defense, use their height, and that's what they're doing. Zuni's off the floor. I think Abdullah has come in place of him. Khan with the ball. Dani with a crazy looking jumper. Oh,
wow.
little volleyball. Finish. Abdullah. Oh, he gets his first shot of the game to drop.
Alright,
Amazing.
So this season, I think we'll see a lot of high-scoring games because these rims are a bit friendlier. They're not as friendly as last time
Yeah.
when we first played here, but you'll see a lot more high-scoring games as compared to Rumi.
Yeah, I feel like there's less wind here also. I think that's going to make a big difference on the three-point shooting. I feel like teams are going to be more accurate this season around. Oh, Shayan has checked in. Shayan, shout out Askari. He's one of the young, talented kids from Askari.
Yeah, he's doing kind of lost right now. You're right, he's young.
Yeah, he's like 17, 18, man. Like, he's young.
Oh, to be young again.
Oh, Faizan. Gets it
good.
back.
Yeah, good fight and one!
Faizan actually he plays center. He's really undersized for the center position. I don't even think he's 6 feet, but he plays
My
it
friend, I'm
hard.
undersized for the center position.
That's true, but like, at least you're wide.
I get the job done.
you. Mine, it's like an immovable object that's sitting there. And there's no defensive 3 and D in our league either.
Yeah.
So that just makes it a task.
If that were the case, we'd all be cooked. All the big men. Or
Yeah.
anyone that does have lateral movement.
Especially Mohsen bhai.
Yeah.
Mohsen bhai to good. वो तो घर बना लेते हैं अंदर.
Speaking of which, man, Bounce had quite a few new signings. What do you think is gonna? What's their scene? क्या लग रहा है?
यार bounce को हमने दिया ना एक rapper HK.
HK, you giving the man with the beats.
If you lose to bounce, देख लो भाई distract ना आ जाए.
Distract आ जाए. Why'd you guys trade HK?
Yeah, Mohsen bhai was after our life for a guard. He was after.
He was after Samir, wasn't he?
Samir, me, Amma. He was like, just one of you, just come through. Because he needed a guard, and then we were like, okay, fine, we can't really leave the Mambas.
Yeah, but man, honestly, I feel like Mohsen actually just starts playing like a normal big man with the role. He doesn't need to play like superstar level, like do everything. He just needs to play like a big. Just park your bum down low, play post, score 20 points efficiently, and call it a day.
Yeah, I think that's what most third-party viewers of Bounce think right now. It just depends what the ideology is in the Bounce camp. I hope with Razorbai coming in, maybe they can address some of their issues. Like subbing is a big issue in Bounce.
Yeah, I mean, so what I think is that they're finally getting that missing piece in a manager, but then they don't have like the squad, the star power that they used to have when
I
they
mean,
first came
तुम
into the
लोग
league.
का मुस्तफा नुमान भी चला गया उधर. The
Yeah,
generator.
man, but that's our second game, man. And that's gonna be interesting to see. I want to see what Mustafa does.
Yeah, I don't even know what the starting lineup's gonna be. Honestly, like,
I hope
will
they know what the
Rana get
starting
in?
lineup is.
Will Rana get in? Will Dani get in? Well, Mohsen obviously is in. Dani's in. But who's replacing Shamir as their starting guard?
I think it'll be Mustafa.
Could be Mustafa. They've also signed Zishan from Checkmate, if you remember Zishan.
I don't.
You don't?
I don't.
He's the captain of Checkmate, yeah.
Sorry,
Or
man. I don't know you.
Checkmate has been disbanded, unfortunately. They were in C1 once upon a time.
When we started out,
Yeah, they graduated from C2 and they came
Oh,
into
no way.
C1 for one season. But
there's been so many seasons, man. It's been, I feel like it's
Yeah.
been 100 years.
yeah, it's been way too long.
Oh, good move and
Red showing some moves. 10,
Stay with your
14.
chest, skinny boy.
Oh no, my mistake. 12-14. That's just a 2-point game. What is going on?
Come on, Beria, what are you doing?
Yeah, Beria needs to lock in. I think Zuni better है तो काफी फर्क पड़ा है. Camera. You can have it that side.
All right, quick rebound.
Dani saves it to Abdullah. Abdullah running with it. That's a bit wild. Shayan comes up with it. Great rebound.
All right, Shayan, let's see what you can do.
Yeah, he's a really good fast break player, but I don't think in a set offense he has his offense figured out. But now it's MMR.
Come on, score,
Tries to
MMR.
get a spin. That's
All right, that's a wild
if he had
shot.
made that, I would be a fan for life.
I'll just have control over MMR. Every time I've said something, he scored.
Oh,
Oh, wow, good fake.
great fake,
Oh,
great
no.
pass. Dani missing, and he's upset. He wanted Hamad to make that shot. And none of this would have been possible without Domino's, without Shansha, without Bank Al Habib. So we really want to thank our sponsors for making this happen. Shayan with the ball, strip.
All right, quick move. Let's see what happens.
Dani comes up with it.
Oh, good
Drop pass to Khan. Khan makes it.
Great play, great play.
7 seconds left. 7 seconds left. 5, 4, 3,
Slowing it down.
2, 1, and that's it.
Wow. This
The
good
quarter's
ball at us.
over. We almost got hit by the ball.
Check out.
But 4 point की game है उमर.
हाँ लग रहा है एक interesting affair होने वाला है यहाँ पे.
I'm surprised. I thought it would be much more one-sided than this.
Yeah, I
But
thought so
credit
too.
to T6. Full credit to T6. बहुत tough match हो रहा है. We're joined here by Mr. Niazi. Niazi भाई, our beautiful ref. क्या ख्याल है आपके?
क्या होने वाला है?
मेरी प्रिडिक्शन कह रही है कि बहरिया बॉलर्स जीत जाएगी. T6 ये है कि फास्ट है, फास्ट ब्रेक भी अच्छी लगाते हैं. अगर दिमाग से खेलेंगे तो जीत जाएंगे. बाकी ये उरैद जो है, उरैद का तो भाई डर रहता है हर वक्त ही. रिबाउंड के पावर में अच्छा है ये, ऑफेंसिव डिफेंसिव दोनों रिबाउंड में अच्छा है ये. वहाँ से उनके पास रिबाउंड है लेकिन उनके प्लेयर्स भी अच्छे हैं, लेकिन दिमाग पता नहीं क्यों नहीं काम कर रहा, उनकी फिनिशिंग क्यों नहीं हो रही है.
I think Zuni के बैठने से इनका स्कोर थोड़ा लेवल हुआ है.
हाँ.
जब तक Zuni खेल रहा था, they had a
जूनी ऑफेंसिव रिबाउंड भी देता है, डिफेंसिव रिबाउंड भी देता है. रिबाउंडिंग बंदा मतलब जो टीम सबसे ज़्यादा रिबाउंड लेती है वही टीम मैक्सिमम जीतती है, और जो टीम डिफेंस कर जाती है वही टीम जीतती है.
100%. लेकिन ये बच्चों को कौन समझाए?
अभी फर्स्ट क्वार्टर एंड हुआ है और 12-16 कहानी है. देखें T6 और बैरिया में क्या होता है अभी.
All right, we're getting back into the action. Niazi bhai, that was Niazi bhai, our ref for the last 3 seasons. Looking fresh in the lob match official shirts.
Want to try?
Yeah, sure.
All right, folks, we're back. The score is 12-16.
Zuni checking back into the game. Let's see.
Yeah, Zuni sensing that his team's a bit in trouble. He needs to extend that lead.
Yeah, I feel like with him coming back into the game, Beria will extend their lead. Let's
Yeah,
see what happens.
इसका better होना Zuni's like an elite rim protector ना, तो बहुत मुश्किल होता है अंदर घुसना और
Oh
score
my
करना.
God, who's this?
Yeah, who's this
John.
guy? Who's John?
Foreign import. They've got foreign imports.
Where's John from? What's his story?
Yo, he showed up to a 3v3 once.
Really?
I'm not sure why he's unfortunate enough to be in Pakistan when he could be anywhere else. But I think a token foreigner is good for the league.
Definitely, let's see how he plays.
Whoa!
Lovely score.
MMR, he looked back. he even looked back.
MMR, stop trying to be LeBron.
He's trying to be what McConnell?
No, bro.
TJ.
So basically, there was a play where LeBron stole. So basically, it's very funny.
Yeah.
It was Miami versus the Charlotte Hornets. Michael Jordan owns that team. So LeBron stole the ball, stared at Jordan, and then dunked it while staring at Michael Jordan.
Damn.
That was a very intense moment. Speaking of which, since we are talking about the NBA, man, the finals क्या चल रहा है भाई? Hally
Go
man.
Pacers, bhai. I love my Pacers. I went and watched them last season.
Yeah, but bro. Tyrese Halliburton is a bad man.
Yo, I think a lot of C1 and C2 teams could learn from the Pacers the way that they play.
Yeah, they're
Very
playing.
realistic.
It's very realistic. They're playing college style
They
basketball.
make micro they make micro advantages by driving, by kicking.
Yeah, yeah.
They don't focus
absolutely.
too much on the three. They don't focus too much on driving.
And
They
they're
don't
also
focus
not-
too much on ISOs.
And yeah, they're not focusing on one guy taking them over the line.
Yes, they just play good team basketball. Whoever has the advantage exploits it, and all five of them. And in fact, I think they're eight players deep. Like McConnell comes off the bench often. Nimhard often comes off the bench.
Yeah, yeah.
Obi Toppin gives them good minutes off the bench. So it's a strong team.
Yeah, the last game, man, Obi Toppin had a sick dunk, bro. Sick put back dunk.
Yo, like, have you seen him? He's giant.
They're all giants within the NBA.
I mean, Shea is like 6'6". Like that's hard to imagine.
Yeah.
I can't imagine a 6'6" guy moving like that.
Yeah,
in
no.
Pakistan especially. There's no way.
That's like
Shamir Lambu from
Shamir Lambu being Paul George, bro.
uh, crossing people up, giving them bumps.
And then taking the three-pointer, favorite three-pointers. Well, I mean, we do have guys like that, bro, like Zain Khan.
Oh yeah, not in the league though. He's like Pakistan level. We're still getting there.
Yeah.
We're getting there.
Oh, MMR with a
MMR
finish.
in the
There it is
back.
again. He still at it again.
MMR!
It's 16 all. We got a game here.
We got a game. Zuni has not met the impact I was expecting. It's MMR taking over.
But I don't know why MMR is just staring back every time I want to try and look at
Aura points, bro. He's aura farming. That's what the kids are saying these days.
Aura farming.
And like if somebody throws the game, they call it selling. I love the Gen Z slang, man. It's crazy.
Another 24. All right, sub called in.
Good job, bhai, coming back in. Good job, bhai. I need a 3 from you.
And Gujjar not caring at all.
Good job, bhai. Focused. He's not caring what the commentators have to say.
He too is aura farming, as the kids say.
Oh no, you
MMR
left
again?
MMR open.
Oh no. Oh,
Wow,
good rebound. Good
amazing.
rebound.
Sayyid can put the
Okay.
rebound. Oh wow! If that was on purpose, that was a beautiful shot.
That was on purpose.
I don't think it was, but he made that on purpose. You know, Radha Bhai once told me that if you wanna be a very good outdoor basketball player, you have to have the bank shot, which is
That
very
makes
hard.
sense. That makes sense.
I don't. There's very few players who actually go to the bank shot. This is one of the few times when I've seen it.
Okay, he was just rejected at the board by the board.
I think Mubashir back in the day bounce. He had a killer bank shot.
Man, one guy that we haven't spoken enough about from Bounce, Rehab.
Oh, Rehab was a beast. back in
Rehab
the
was a
day,
very
man.
big loss for Bounce, especially and for the league as well when he moved to Islamabad, or I think he's in America now.
Yeah, I think.
But that guy, no, I mean, bro, that guy was like a proper like forward.
He was a freight train. He used to play point guard basically for
Yeah,
bounce.
yeah. He had the handles, he had jump shot, he had everything. He had the whole package.
I think it was like a Zen Chamoil before the Zen. kind of.
All
the
right,
build
good
is similar.
pass. Yeah. No, but he was bigger. He was bigger. He was bigger.
probably 6'1".
No, he had tremendous IQ.
Better IQ.
He had tremendous IQ.
Zen's a bit patchy. Like some plays he'll make that are like, how'd you see that pass?
But
And then
he's-
some plays he'll make where you're like, what are you doing? Like
Yeah.
the dump off was right there. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So that's
yeah.
when he's young, he'll get there.
How young can he be, bro? He's still trying to aura farm.
या फिर इंस्टा से हटानी पड़ेगी लीग और फार्मिंग तब चलती रहेगी लीग में.
All right, MMR, is this your next batch of aura farming?
No way!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Time out goal by the barrier ballers. MMR, come here, you beautiful man.
भाई I need to change his number to 00.
Damn.
एमआर की किट में थोड़ी सी गलती आई थी 69 जर्सी नहीं बन पाई तो उन्होंने बोला मैं नहीं खेलूंगा दूसरे नंबर में so he's wearing the 00 not the 9.
Amazing, amazing. Just be like, we'll either give you the 6 or we'll give you the 9. You decide.
And you know we even send 69 the vendor just changes it on like Islami तौर पे I think. I have a feeling.
That's a good man.
He's a great man.
So, no, yeah, T6 have come out with a 4-point lead.
Yeah, that's unexpected as hell. Nobody saw this coming. Everybody was
I don't
predicting
know,
a
man.
very outcome.
I think MMR saw it coming. Probably. Watch him stare us down now.
I think the haters probably called him Delulu. Like now he's showing his worth. Yeah, crazy. Yeah, अगर इस तरह खेलता गया, he's top of the leaderboards for C2 I think in scoring.
Yeah, but what do you think T6 now? Like, T6 has been at it for quite some time now. 6 seasons हो गए अब इनको. They're here since the start. What do you think they need to get like over the hump?
Yeah, height. They don't have organized height.
And
And yeah, there's that question also. There's rumors. rumors
there was some
कहेंगे.
match fixing last season.
Rumors
Alleged-
है कि इनको आना ही नहीं था सीवन. इन्होंने बोला कौन जाए सीवन. Yeah, unproven rumors हैं अब क्या करें?
Yeah, but I mean, if that's the mentality, that's actually a bit disappointing, man. I mean, I would think that guys would want to move up to the next level, get better at their game.
But sometimes he's just not ready.
I mean, but that's like a big fish, small pond situation.
Yeah, but like I think Malir Trojans पे भी यही rumor आए थे, and then
क्या करे, क्या करे.
allegedly यही बोला था कि we're not ready. Like there's no point for us to go. Okay, that's not why they lost to T6.
Yeah,
That's
T6
definitely
about.
not why they lost.
All right.
Man,
All
Red's
right.
good. He comes up with the ball.
Oh,
and
good
he's
pass.
Travel.
Was it? I don't think so. Was?
Travel, he moved his pivot foot. 100%. His left was his pivot, and then he moved the pivot again.
Nice, nice. That was still 2016.
Man,
Man,
that's
I
wild. This
think.
is not the Bahia team that I know.
Yeah, I know, man.
really
They're looking a bit sluggish.
And where is the star player on? He was almost like in the MVP category last time. He's an all-star. Like he's missing. Where's on? Like
Oh wow! Oh straight.
wow,
straight.
John.
John Elia.
That's what Timmy man.
Alright, Jimmy passes the ball, looking for options. Oh, almost another steal. Almost another steal.
That's beautiful passing. He just has to make this. What's Zuni doing? Come on, good job. Down to 8, down to 2. 2018. The score didn't go up.
Ali Akbar. Alright, just slight technical difficulties. They're just fixing it up right now.
Oh,
Alright, good passing. That was a travel, but okay. Alright, you want to join commentary? Huh? You want to join commentary?
Nah, go back to
सब जा रहे हो?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, Zuni with a commanding rebound.
Dani coming down the court. Beautiful step, but he's fouled.
And John being a gentleman about it.
John with the foul. John.
With the foul. MMR asking for a sub.
And John getting subbed off. Buggy! Buggy into the lineup. New
What?
signing.
Wait, ye kab hua hai? Where
New
did this
signing for
happen?
T6. Yeah, the
Beautiful.
Hustlers broke up because their players who come from Hyderabad is getting logistically challenging for them. So they've kind of signed on Buggy this time around onto T6. Buggy's really improved his three-point shooting. Over the
Well,
last
we'll see
season.
right now.
I mean, refereed game pressure alag hota hai. But
Alright, his first shot. And that's
a
an air
little bit
ball.
Too much. He's a bit excited. Adrenaline's pumping.
Oh,
Oh wow! MMR! Both sides of the floor. That's captainship.
Hey, everybody does not quit, bro. This guy's on it every single time. Give him the ball. Give him the ball. Alright, Willie.
I don't think he has that.
Alright, good pass.
Good pass on the 0. Wow.
Good draw,
To
good
do
draw,
it,
very good
to do
draw.
it. He knew the guy was there. He knew he would foul. He went up right then and there. Good job by Fazan. It's all. The game is tied, Umar. कोई भी कभी भी lead ले सकता है. अभी
So,
इसको free throw मारने
at least we can talk a bit about the facility. We have our paddle courts open right now. If players want a quick warm up before a game, they can always play a good round of paddle tennis now.
That's true.
Alright, he's already missed one. Oh, score's tied.
Yeah.
Oh, he misses both.
Man, that's
Oh,
something you
okay,
really
but
can't
the
let go.
T6 retained the ball.
Amazing. Now T6 looking for MR. They don't look for him. They find Buggy. Buggy with the deep.
Baga, just shoot it from here. Baga, oh, is he? No, he's not.
Oh wow,
Oh,
great
good
drop pass to Fazan. He just do the foul. He draws
Oh.
it again. Wonderful. But now he has to really make these free throws. Like 0 of 2 is not acceptable. At least 1 of 2.
I mean, it depends how many free throws you get at the end of the day.
True. But their team needs it, yeah. You can't. Otherwise, they'll keep hacking you.
Yeah, but then, like, who's coming after you?
You can send off a kid to just foul. If somebody can't shoot free
Yeah,
throws,
but they'll get fouled out. Alright, he made one. That's already an improvement right there. And breaks the second.
I think 25% conversion, pretty bad. needs to be better. Tight games are decided on free throws. I think that's haunted the Mambas too. I think on average last season we scored maybe 40% of our free throws. That's
I think it was less.
probably
than
even
that.
less. In some games too we made less than that even, yeah. So, and I think elite teams like 23 SB Omega, they're making at above a 50%, 60% clip as a team. And then their best players make it at like 70.
Ah, man, me and Timmy are like in the 80, 90 mark now, man.
I mean, maybe, but
Oh, what a shot!
wow, Zuni.
Finally using his height.
Composure, composure. And they're up by 2 now again. You have to tell the ref. You have to tell the ref.
वो signal कर दो.
इश्तियाक भाई बोल दो या तो.
टाइम आउट है इसके बाद हाँ
Oh, okay. T6 got the ball. Oh, that was so close.
इश्तियाक भाई.
Istihaq bhai. Istihaq bhai. Istihaq bhai.
लंबी लंबी विसल दे. लंबी विसल दे.
Sir, लंबी whistle दे दे. Time out, time out. No, no, them.
इश्तियाक भाई इस पे एक लंबी विसल दे दे. जैसे
लंबी
टाइम आउट
whistle
की
और
होती है
time
ना, वो समझे नहीं. वो आई होती पी पिप. उस तरह की एक लंबी दे दे. वो समझ जाएंगे टाइम आउट हुआ. नहीं 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 टाइम आउट T6 ने लिए.
T6 का time out.
इनने दिए.
इन्हें दिए.
इनने दिए.
Oh, by the way, what was this talk about some guys blacking out the Domino's sign on their jerseys?
Some people are.
Why? Can't do that.
BDS. You can.
Can't.
How do we dictate that?
Again, bro, you're playing in our league.
यार डोमिनोज को अगर दिखे तो फिर I don't know.
देखेगा उनको.
वो
Because
देख रहे
they'll
कोई.
talk, unless we talk about it.
I don't know दिखेगा.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
वो आके देखेंगे कि आई की लीग के गेम.
Well, by the way, one thing are we putting? I think this time for All Star we should put our sponsored logos on the All Star.
हाँ we do.
We do.
डालते हैं छोटे डालते हैं डालते हैं.
बस वही पड़ेगा तो ना अच्छे.
इतने बड़े लोग अच्छे नहीं लगते ना. टिकट खराब होती है. लाइक सबसे बेस्ट किट्स S3 वाली आती है. जो प्रॉपर कंट्रोल में बनाया था. Okay guys, we're back. Chuggy Buggy, new signing.
Baggy buckets, as I like to call him.
Man, he's taking Kobe's number.
But he's passing. Kobe would never pass.
Oh, Khatak. Oh, Faizan.
Oh, wow.
Bulldozer. That's a foul. I don't know by who. There's so many hands in there.
One by one. Tapak, tapak, tapak.
Yeah, Faizan, he plays bigger than his height. I'm a fan of his game.
Yeah, he got hard. He got a lot hard.
He's a bit like Asher. Asher Abbasi nahi hai?
Yeah, actually,
Asher bhi dil se khelta hai. Like he's tiny, like he's 5'10", 5'11".
ये आपने सही बात करी है. दिमाग से वो नहीं खेलता, दिल से खेलता है.
चलो यार, दिल तो बड़ा है ना.
Yes, yes, our former Glizzy teammate.
चैंपियन रह चुके हैं भाई और उसने आधे सोल के साथ खेला है वो गेम भाई.
I still remember
Impressive.
when he ripped it out and just threw it to the side.
आधे बच्चे कंप्लेन कर रहे होते हैं आज ये नहीं हो रहा, आधा ये नहीं हो रहा, मेरी शू लेसेस गलत टाए थे, मेरा ये था. उसने आधे जूते के साथ खेला. Oof. Close. Gucci comes away with it.
Kind of a
Al
stagnant
Kidani.
game, man. It's 22 all. It's been 22 all for a while.
Yeah, it's getting really scrappy. Khatak call
That's
for the
clean,
foul.
bro. That's clean.
I heard
That's
the
it, that's
foul.
clean.
I think it's clean.
I heard the ball too.
But
That's
it's
clean.
the
Bro.
ref.
That should be
And now
clean.
they're in the bonus. T6 has given away too many fouls.
And rightfully so, man. They're undersized team against a big team. That's usually going to happen.
Yeah. I think it's good.
But
You disrupt their
surprisingly,
rhythm.
they haven't got any fouls like under the basket. They've just been fouling them in transition or fouling them.
I don't think they're letting them get there. I think that's a good strategy that they've had. The rhythm is completely disrupted. And Bahria has struggled. Like everyone thought they'd be winning by a lot. The lead is only by 1.
Yeah, look, Rebbe, is it the Pacers or OKC? What's about to happen?
Huh?
Pacers or OKC? Oh, wow. Who's taking the NBA finals?
What are you saying?
Who's taking the NBA finals? Pacers or OKC?
Man, I'm a Pacers fan.
I know you're a Pacers fan, but like,
So I'm gonna go for my Pacers. And right now the odds are with Halley at the moment.
yeah.
Because they have one more game at Lucas Oil Stadium. And Indiana में वैसे ज़्यादा कुछ करने को नहीं है तो पूरा इंडियाना उठ के आ जाता है स्टेडियम में. So the stadium's always full.
Yeah, that's good.
I think I saw maybe one empty seat
Wow.
out of like 70,000 almost the capacity.
70,000.
50,000 at least. It's a huge stadium.
Oh, good pass. Oh, wow! He just stuffed it.
Shayan showing us an experience. Oh, a little bit too much. A little bit too much. Now by one, T6, Buggy about to inbound the ball. Shayan been told to go forward. MMR is demanding it.
Where's John?
Where's John? We want John back. We're fans of John. We're big fans of John.
Thank you. Oh, what a layup!
What a layup by
Coastal
Khan.
Coast.
Now they're showing off their height a bit.
That's clean. That was very clean.
That was really clean. And he's athletic and tall. He's a
Who was this guy?
athlete.
That wasn't Zuni. Who was it?
Khan. It was Khan. Wow.
So your
He's
introduction to
flying
Adil Khan kaun hai bhai?
Yeah, he's been in the squad for a while. He's one of the Navy guys. Like,
Oh no, now I recognize him.
Yeah,
I
he's
recognize
one of the Navy guys. They don't play. I think they're not in the basketball Navy team, but they like play handball or something. I think.
him. Oh, okay. Oh no, this is a tall, lanky guy.
He's a tall, lanky guy. He's a proper Navy build wala hai. Like, not a sliver of fat on his body. Proper ये PA, PT वाले boys नहीं होते जो daily running करते हैं उन वालों में से.
Yeah, man. How long do they run? For how long?
Yeah, man. I think 2 घंटे सुबह and then they have another one in the evening and it's a whole. Fitness is a big part of.
I know, even like most of the department players over there. So I'll tell you a short story. So I remember when I was going for nationals, and we were in Islamabad. Now, obviously, we're city boys. We play in League of Basketball. I remember one morning we woke up to get breakfast, and we saw all these Army, Navy guys. Even though they're competing against each other, they're all up at 6 a.m. They're doing push-ups. They're running around the track. They're weightlifting like khule maidan mein. Like they didn't need anything. They're just doing their training, and we're just walking past them going for breakfast. And we're like, wow, bro, that's dedication to the craft, bro. That's dedication right there.
These guys are crazy and you hear stories and I think it makes sense. I think आप जितना time दोगे किसी चीज़ को आप उसमें आप उतना बेहतर होगे.
Absolutely, absolutely.
और हम जो हैं जो बुड्ढे बाबे बैठे हुए who have crossed that 27, 28.
All right, folks, we're back in the second half. T6 will advance the ball. Score is 22-25. Bahia leading. All right, good quick pass. 3-second call on a make. That's like a gut punch, man. Honestly, when you make a shot and it's a 3-second call.
But chalo, I think it really helps with your confidence, even if it doesn't count. Ball to andar gayi na, you saw it go in.
That's very important, man. Actually, Shaf actually told me this. Now, just talk about Shaf. Shout out to Shaf, bro. Hope you're doing well in Canada right now, studying for your exams. He once told all the 2-3 SP guys, and even in nationals practice, he was like, just be direct. Start off the game by doing a couple of moves that you know that you have down, and then everything just becomes easier. Once you see the ball go in once.
Yeah, I like to start off a game with like a floater or a layup before I take a shot because I think once you get into it, आपको एक दो हाथ पड़ जाएं, आप बस घुस जाओ, turnover भी हो गया ना, at least you get up to the rhythm of the game at the very least because sometimes दूसरी team इतनी तेज आती है, they catch you off guard, like especially the good teams. They're running back, they're running forward, they're running all over the place. There's, like the league has improved in terms of stamina, in terms of physicality, and especially in terms of tactics, I think.
Yeah, so that's something I really like to talk. Oh, what a block! Say it with your chest, big fella. Okay, so getting back to that, so like we've done 6 seasons now. This is our 7th season, and hopefully we'll do more, inshallah. But like, take season 1 to 3. Guys were just getting by on their athleticism and just their skill. Like, let's take Arun for example. Season 1, 2, season 3, I think the league sort of figured him out. Moving on to season 4, 5, teams start developing plays. Teams start developing their own playbooks. Now, slowly you're seeing that that's also affecting the entire league. All the teams are trying to get, a leg up in the competition, building plays, having more practices. Really like playing basketball as it should.
Yeah, I think there's also a lot of recent like teams have gone towards at least basic analytics in the sense that how much free throw percentage are you making, like what your spots are where you make more, like are you better off the catch, are you better off the dribble, like there's a little bit of self-awareness with the tape that we have.
Yeah.
Because before it was just like you played the game and in the heat of the game, the adrenaline of the game, you're like, oh, I played so well. But then now if you watch the tape again, you can see that acha sahi hai, I could have done this here, I could have done that here. I think that's really improved, at least tactically.
Oh wow! Wow, Bahia just sliced and diced their way to the basket right now.
Bahia finally playing like a C1 level team, which they are. 22-31, Bahia ballers.
I think T6 is playing a bit too head down right now. I don't think they should get that discouraged. It's not that bad.
I think we need to see a couple of threes drop in right now. All that. Oh,
what an athletic take! Good on you, young man.
Had that in his bag. That was crazy. He showed the ball and he did like a little reverse sweep.
Yeah, Faizan's nursing his left hip. I just saw him run down. Oh wow! Okay. Good job, man. Bahia's just keeping it simple now. They're just actually using their height. All right, Jacked MMR is getting heated.
It's heated MMR now. MMR's like, मैं कितना कुछ कर लूँगा. It's a bit of a kick. Yeah. Kick balls. T6 balls should be.
All right, we're having a bit of an argument here.
Ref call. The rest will discuss who kicked the ball out.
What do you think happened?
I think it was a Bahia kick. I think so. Because जो T6 का बंदा था, who I was driving, I've forgotten, but he was alone. He was from the right elbow he was driving. Sayyad.
Oh wow, that was a quick drive. If only he made it.
But such a hands by Hamad.
Yeah.
Khan comes up with it. He's tall, he's lanky, he's fast, he's quick. Gets it out to Zuni. Zuni's looking up. He finds Danish. Danish looking up. He doesn't find anybody. But the late cut, Khan.
He was rejected at the rim by the rim.
Yeah. That was a layup. I think he should have made it long ago. MMR saves it. Sayyad comes up with it. A red behind him. Oh wow, beautiful baseline passing. I didn't know T6 had players. And they're dropping into the 0 point.
All right, Bharia slowing it down a bit. Or is he? Ah, and he lets it fly. Oh, just rims out.
That was really close. You'd be surprised.
Pretty close, pretty close.
Hani with the ball. Hamad shoots it again. I think they're trying to get his three to go right now because they have a lead. And I
Yeah,
think
they have a
want-
comfortable lead, then start taking shots now, practicing. And water turnover. And T6 call a timeout. They'll regroup, probably replan. Let's see what happens.
Something. It's not working now. I think ISO offense can only take you so far.
Yeah, yeah,
Let the other
definitely,
people
man.
involved. Okay, we're back into the action. 24 T6, Barrier Ballers 33. 5 minutes left in the third quarter. Gujar comes away with Khan. Great cut. He gets it out to Danish. Danish surveying. He looks at for it. He finds Khan again. Khan to the baseline. Baseline back to the top of the key. Top of the key to the elbow. That's a lot of good passing, but 3 seconds.
Oh, that good passing
And
offense.
on
is ruined
Zuni.
by 3 seconds.
Zuni.
Like I said, it's a gut punch.
Yeah, that was actually really good. MMR slowing the pace down. MMR to Shayan. Shayan with a great shift. And he, youth. But he's going to be a good player one day.
I hope that one day is right now.
I actually played with him in the fast tournament. Acha tha. He's a good kid. Khan with it. Oh, red. Pushing.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, red.
Man, that's disappointing. These guys have such good moves. They're just not being able to finish. But that's a very good move by Red, man.
And now Ali Hassan is coming back into the game. And for Khan, are they going to play with 3 cards? Now, timeout taken by T6. Down by 9. It's not hopeless. And these are,
Man, 9 points is not. It's nothing, bro.
it's actually nothing. It's 3 shots, 3 possessions. It's within reach, but they really have to contain it, stop the bleeding. They have to find offense that isn't MMR, I would say. I don't think Altamash has scored that many points. I think Fazan has gotten a few, and
Yeah.
MMR. Other than that, there hasn't really been much scoring. Maybe Buggy needs to make a few threes. I don't know what they're going to try next.
I think if they see a couple of threes go in, they'll spread the floor, make a bit more passing available to them.
Yeah, it just hasn't happened for them. The ball really hasn't dropped, and to beat a large team like Beria, you need to be making your far range shots.
Yeah.
But then there's a double-edged sword to them because if you're not making enough of your threes,
Yeah, no, bro.
you lose the game.
No, it's not that, man. Barrier is very, very deadly in transition.
Yeah.
Like, they get the ball, they're gone.
Yeah. And this is a new kid, Amjad. I haven't seen him last season. He wasn't against us last season.
Really. Alright, Barrier back at it. Good pass. Oh, he should have taken that shot.
John back into the game.
Alright, let's see if we can see some magic by John. It's a bit stagnant the game, man. The scoring's gone down from both teams. Even Barrier.
Yeah, Barrier's playing it really, really safe. I think that's what they should have done from the start. They tried to play it fast, match T6 pace. Not worth it.
Oh, what a steal!
Wow, young kid, young blood. He's gonna go for the layup. Travel. Shifted his pivot. pivot shift. He's saying, "Come on, yaar," but travel
Man,
to tha.
travel to travel.
Travel to tha. Good job.
Oh, the block!
By Red. Shahan again. Shahan to MMR. Beautiful pass. MMR is deadly in these positions. He misses. Shahan tries to get the ball, but Zuni just bodies him. Big man. Big man rebound.
Quick inbound pass.
Dani.
Oh,
He
Euro.
makes these. He makes these, but he just misses. John. John's got it. John just given a free lane to the rim.
Oh.
He
Oh,
misses.
gets his own rebound.
Wow! John! Crazy.
That was a good move. He got his own rebound, put it back in.
Foreign imports in T6.
All right.
Zuni.
Will Zuni take the shot? Oh no, he's just gonna drive.
He gets a
Amar with
shot.
the ball. Amar with the
Amar and Shahan. That's a crazy fast break guard duo tandem, whatever you want to call it. It's
Down to
working.
5. Down to
Down
5.
to 5. It's working. Shahan's finally showing off his game a little bit.
Yeah, he's been very crucial for them, man, getting those steals.
Okay, they're playing 3-2. That's a strange. I mean, it's working for them. But they leave this open on a 3-2, so Dani will exploit
Yeah, he's
that.
gonna make it, bro. He's a sniper from the mid range.
It's kind of like pick your poison at the moment with them because they don't have the height to contend with Zuni.
Yeah.
It's back up to 7. Let's see
And
what
if
they
they
do.
play, if this plays disciplined defense, get those steals, they're back in it already.
Fazan, what is he doing? No. No.
If you made it in there, man, you need to go for the basket.
It's a sub. Amjad coming off.
Khan back in.
I think Amjad's new. He didn't really get many touches, didn't really get to take any shots while he was in the game. I think he was just there to give Khan a breather.
And it's the first game, man. It's a long season.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Gujjar has now missed his first 2 3-pointers rather than making them.
Again, like I said, man, it's a long season. It's gonna take some time.
Gujjar only scores 3s when he makes his first one, I'm telling you.
What happened?
MR down by 7. What's he got in his bag?
Alright, let's go. T6 to the other way.
Man, Red's giving Perry a good time on their boards. Strong player hai वैसे, छोटा hai but.
Yeah, he's young, but bro, he's lanky. He's got all the tools that he needs.
Wow, MR.
Oh, wow.
Wow. What is that magic level pass?
Wow.
Get that on a highlight. Get that on a reel.
Reel banao, reel banao.
Reel banao iski bhai. Crazy pass.
Oh, MMR was just pouncing for that steal.
John.
A bit undisciplined.
Not really. It's good. Drive deny karo. That's
Yeah,
a good
won't foul the guy.
It's a good foul. Rhythm disrupt hoti hai. He and John's, I don't think expected to play a lot of minutes. So he has 5 fouls to give.
Oh, G6 back
Wow, Shayan off to the races. This is what he does. Fast break iska pakka hai.
3-point game?
3-point game. Shayan showing up. Shout out Askari. Baban Academy का बच्चा है भाई Baban. Shout out Baban.
Shout out Lob Academy.
Very one-handed shot. John with the rebound. John with a beautiful dime.
Oh, what a fake.
MMR
that's
just a
good
little
play.
tired.
Yeah, man, T6 is playing good basketball right now. They're getting the steals, they're getting the rebounds, and just running.
And it was clearly very ball. I was just waiting for what the rest would say. Danish is actually in the Navy netball team.
Really?
Yeah. He plays at a district level for netball.
Oh, no way.
Yeah. You can kind of see that in his game. Where
Oh,
he's
what a blow!
Orecho! Wow, lefty. Alright, no, Shayan. Wow!
And
1 point
one.
game, 37
And one.
seconds. And one call, a chance to tie the game for T6. They're just not going away.
I mean, this is why I told you that Orez is a two-way player. He literally stuffed the ball on one end and then
भाई अली भाई आपका टाइम आ गया है अच्छा अभी थोड़ा अली बैठा हुआ है, अभी अंदर जाके सेट कर देगा इनको, मुझे लग रहा है।
It's
ओ
reverse the and
इक्वल हो
one.
गया भाई, अली कैप्टन साहब आपका टाइम आ गया।
We have a game here, gentlemen.
चल एंटरटेनिंग गेम तो दिया है बॉयज ने। Good job with the ball.
Again,
MMR
another
again.
steal.
How many turnovers are they gonna? He's looking back again. MMR looked back again. Aura farming. All game he's been aura farming.
Why is he just dunk here at this point? Just go dunk.
इसमें वो जादू चाहिए होगा, वो जादू मूवी में नहीं होता।
Nah, man, I think he can do it. If anyone could do it, if he works at it, he could do it.
Man, the stand-up of MMR and Chan is strong. I think John is also giving them great minutes. नहीं यार MMR too
Man,
loose.
has a bit of that Zen problem. He tries too much for the acrobatic shots.
Yeah. मार देगा. मार देगा.
Buzzer beater.
Buzzer beater with Danish. खतरनाक.
What a quarter, man. That was
That was an end-to-end quarter. This is very good. I think T6 has kind of figured out their starting five. This should be their starting five. I think that's on the field right now. Very strong complementary pieces. You have two strong rebound MRs disrupting the passing lanes. You have two quick guys running.
No, but the Skittle Red, bro, he is something special.
Yeah, he has a bright future ahead of him. भाई अब अली आ रहा है अंदर. It's time.
What a block, man. Yeah.
Two killer. Yeah, there was a pass by MR. We need to get a reel of that, mate. That pass by MR behind the back to a red for a layup. The crazy pass.
There's a reason Red was almost MVP last season.
Yeah. And he's still in C2, right? So he's gonna have those numbers.
He could do an NEC one day.
Huh.
Nah, we can beat him.
Bro, he's lanky and he's fast.
C1, no, I don't think so.
C1 कर लेगा वो, आसानी से कर लेगा.
उमर तो बर्गर्स खा के आएगा. ये अरम नवीद और ये सारे खेल रहे होंगे. हाँ, exactly.
I'm not even playing tomorrow.
He probably won't be playing. हाँ, अबे क्यों खेलेगा? पागल है ये. मतलब he'll be on standby.
बोला था किसी और के जूते वगैरह मोजे पहन के घुस गए गेम में.
Bro, we didn't have players. We couldn't field players. अपने नाइट सूट में खेल रहा था.
I think ये तो अरम नवीद and all you guys
I
will
don't know,
get
he
us.
can't play.
He can't? Why?
Bro, he just had surgery.
What? For what?
ACL.
No way. How did that happen?
He's playing football.
Oh, crap.
One week ago.
Again, a repeat of the third quarter. MMR fouled.
That one he scores.
Casual. Jacked MMR, giving Iberia all kinds of problems.
Yeah, it's a tight game. 35-37, man. What?
I thought that would be a.
So that was 2 shots.
चलो ref judgment पे था different. John foul and one. Welcome to the league, John.
My goodness.
My goodness, where did they get this guy?
My God. Sir?
Oh wow. They didn't give the and one. There's no way. Didn't give an and one.
No,
So
John's
just
got a
one
good
for them.
shot. He's got a good shot form.
Yo, he's looks like he's played before. Like in बाहर से खेल के आया होगा ये.
Oh, another steal.
Another turnover. MMR foul. He's looking back every time. Why doesn't he just look at the rim? निकल जाता है पेज से पहले पीछे देखेगा जरूर. MMR.
Maz.
Too casual on the free throw, MMR. Come on. I gotta be a little better.
Oh, breaks both.
Breaks
man.
both.
Those
Those
free
are
throws right
crucial.
now.
That's honestly crucial free throws. Last quarter, 2 points down. You can't be missing those.
Man, how many turnovers do you think Bhaiya's had?
I think they're just playing really destructively. It's weird. Like there's no need
I mean, it's their game to lose at this point.
at this point, honestly. And
But hats off to T6, man. Those guys have come out swinging
Yeah.
in the second half.
yeah, and I think they figured out that this lineup is working, and they stuck with it for the fourth quarter.
Yeah. Good pass.
No way, Oren!
Boom.
Oh, boy! He's here. He's announcing to C2. I'm still here, baby. I'm not gone anywhere.
Yeah.
A 3-2 play. That's a very interesting. I don't know who came up
Alright,
with
T6
it.
has the lead. Oh. Oh, it's getting chirpy. It's getting chirpy. between the kids.
Beria games always trippy.
Alright, Orez getting angry. MMR. Oh, loose pass.
Loose pass.
Alright, it's 38 all. Tie game. What a shot, bro. Like water, bro. This guy is a sniper.
Oh my god, back up to 3. MMR was taking a break on defense. But he really needs to make offense work.
Oh my god, stop with the acrobatic shots, man. You've done it. You've gotten your highlight reel for today.
Yeah, I think he
Now
needs to
just
take a
go
timeout.
score.
T6 needs a timeout. MMR needs to be. Oh, they made it! Timeout. They need a timeout. Ball good is not dead. Dead पे बोलो. Dead पे बोलो. Dead नहीं होती good पे. इश्तियाक भाई timeout है dead ball पे. And Danish too early. I've told him. Fouled. And now they're down by 6. It was a very close quarter. I think MMR made a few extra moves. Let's see. Six points. This game was a lot closer than we expected.
I mean, there's still time.
There's still time, and
There's 7 minutes left, man. That's a lot.
it's 2 shots.
It's 2
2
shots.
shots, honestly.
Alright, will Zuni take it? Will
Unless
Zuni let it
Zuni
fly?
takes it.
Oh, he thinks about it.
And
Oh,
Zuni's
good
like,
pass, good pass.
Wow, it's Khan. Man, I've seen Might on their bench for so long. I've barely seen him in the game ever.
Now he might play.
I want to see Might play.
Give us might. Give us
Might.
And T6 turns it over and gets it back immediately.
Sayyid Arfin.
Oh,
And
what a
beautiful,
bucket.
yeah.
Tough bucket.
Tough bucket.
Back to 6 points.
Back to 6, but it's they need to stop the bleeding. Stop the bleeding! Stop the bleeding, boys! Give us a final 2 minutes. It's fun.
Oh, silly foul.
Silly foul. Silly foul. You can't give away those fouls. Danish thought he was.
Alright.
Oh, that's too good.
Oh, foul.
Danish is saying ऊपर से रख के दो.
कैसे रोकेंगे?
And he's right. The center is short, so you go over him. And if he gets a hand to you, गलती से भी
Let's
उसका
see who makes
foul
the free
होगा.
throws.
No,
Alright.
but the form was okay.
Alright, Wheel of Fortune, 1 for 2.
1 for 2, I
for
think.
two?
The form wasn't bad. Form wasn't bad. Yeah,
Oh,
see?
yeah.
The form wasn't bad.
Not bad.
He barely missed. Shayan. Shayan Askari. Shayan.
Alright, MMR, let's see what you got. Alright, he's thinking. What? Oh no. Oh, T6 hit again. Oh wow. Soft drop.
Yes.
Alright. I think it'd be wise for Barry to slow the ball down a bit. Use clock. Oh wow, okay.
Wow. Yup. Ali
That's
has
what they
really
do.
improved his shot. I have noticed it in pickups and stuff. He's been working on his mid range and
And
his.
Bhagut's not seen the floor a lot. I think they would need like 1 3-point shooter to spread the floor a bit.
I think Buggy came in a bit stressed. The game's like he's new to the team
Oh wow! Oh, that's unfortunate.
and such a wow.
Back to a 6
Wow.
point game.
Back to 6. Back to 6. I think this lineup that they've settled on, I think John got injured. That's why he's sitting.
That's
Arfin came in.
unfortunate, man.
I think this is their strongest lineup, T6s. And this is actually working really well for them,
Yeah.
and they should take notes. Whoever's coaching them needs to take notes.
Another one? No. Alright, they retain the
not
ball
too
with that
far off.
rebound. Oh, he's
Ahmad
gonna let
also
one
shoots.
fly.
He shoots. Wow.
Oh, wow. Alright, MMR.
Is that a fast break foul? I don't know. That might be a
Clear path foul?
clear path foul. I'm not sure.
No, but as in like there are guys trailing back. Clear path foul like when you're ahead of everyone and someone fouls
Okay.
you. In FIBA, I think it's just a technical foul.
Okay.
Oh, good pass. Couldn't hold on to it.
Knocked out of his hand. I think still T6 ball.
Alright.
Shayan.
Oh, no.
Wild one, but Arfin comes up with. He
bit
had to
too
lean
short.
back. He had to lean so far back that he got way too short.
Alright.
No way, MMR.
Oh,
Red.
no. Oh, wow.
Oh wow! Red. 4-point game. 4 minutes to go.
Let's give the ball to Red.
Give the ball to Red, guys. Give it to Red.
Or Red's just gonna come get the rebound, take it for himself.
Yeah, hill nahi rahe boys. Bhaiya boys need to move.
wow.
Too much. And Zuni's not hustling back. What's wrong? Oh my God! MMR! Auto farming on a max.
Alright, that's enough of the word for me, bro, please.
वो सिर्फ ये करना आता है भाई, तुम इसके फिनिशेस देख रहे हो? सीधा पॉइंट करना ही नहीं है इस भाई को. Up under reverse ये वो शूशा भाई MMR.
Let's see if he converts now. Oh,
Adrenaline में मारा गया. But just a 2-point game. Or else, no, Shayan's rolling on the floor. Stop the fast break, Shayan. Come on. Good. Made him pick it up. Just guard that 3 from Ali. And MMR's on Dani. And that's a far
2-point
3.
game, man. 2-point game.
MMR, you gotta go on that. No.
Alright, get that board.
dangerous positioning.
Oh,
Fouled. Khan is fouled. I don't know who fouled him. I think it's a very physical game, bhai. You guys
yeah,
are
that's what we like to see.
going up strong, man.
No, but man, T6 is not backing down either.
Wow, up to 3. Man, it's anybody's game at this moment. 3 points is nothing. 3 points is really nothing. If they have a timeout left, I think T6 will take another one.
Oh, he got that board. What a good board by Ored.
Oh, Reds really impressed me today.
Ored to Mamas.
Yo, yo, he keeps showing light. I can see it happening.
Tie game.
Tie fucking game, boys.
Alright, Bhaiya scrambling. Alright, good pass. Another steal. Oh, oh God. Red. And another foul by Bhaiya. Orez has been having a game. Bhaiya's up by 1 point only. Last 2 minutes, 42 seconds left. And Ali's been fouled out by the Bhaiya ballers. Bhaiya have just lost their clutch shooter. Ali has been fouled out.
Oh no. Ali fouled out.
All right, big shots by MMR. Couldn't convert the first. He needs to make the next one to tie the game. Will he? And he couldn't. And T6 are not able to get the rebound. Bhaiya advancing the ball. Bhaiya looking for options. Getting set in their half court set. Danish. Great pass. Blocked. And another foul by T6. Two shots for Bhaiya. Will Danish make them? Well, he will, man. He's been shooting well from the mid-range. I'm sure he can make a pair of free throws.
Danish.
And he does.
Man, Bhaiya without the captain for the last 2.5 minutes. Just a 2-point game.
And especially with the turnovers they've been having.
And
This
just scratch 50. That's crazy.
oh, misses second one, but they get the rebound. Chance for 2 for 1. What a block!
Oh, the bench is high.
The T6 bench is hyped.
It's Shaggy Bhai. Shaggy Bhai clapping on the bench.
All right, Bhaiya didn't man the ball. Quick, Danish lets it fly. Oh, couldn't convert. Oh, and he gets it, man.
Abdullah Khan. Wow.
Abdullah-
4 points. It's just a 4-point game, boys.
All right, MMR staring at the clock, thinking about his next acrobatic finish.
एक MMR सब पे भारी भाई. Wow. Arfin.
Arfin, you fiend. Arfin is a fiend.
Wow. Proper forward play there.
Down to 2 points. All right, Bhaiya wisely slowing down the ball, but they need to score. All right, they're headed. Oh, good. Okay. Oh, Danish, no man. All right, MMR running. Oh, he should have passed the ball. That's a bad pass. That's a bad pass. A minute and 21 seconds left. Bhaiya inbound the ball. Looking around, scoping for options. And lets it fly. Oh, no, couldn't. And Gujjar. Gujjar being the man to save the Bhaiya ballers right now.
Finally, good job off the. I think इसका पहला point है Gujjar.
And I think Gujjar scored a couple of points.
Walkie-talkie
I,
नहीं हमारे पास.
it's still in reach. It's still in reach for T6.
It's just 4 points.
Eh, Oh, couldn't get the end one. Oh, they're in the bonus. All right. Big shots for Burhan, man.
45 seconds. Tick tock. Tick tock.
Oh. I mean, they need to make one and score a three. All right, he gets it.
He makes one.
After shot faking everyone.
You need a stop and then you need a three.
I mean, they still have it. They have the possession. Even if Bahia drains the entire clock, they need to get this rebound.
I don't think Bahia will drain the clock. I don't think they are disciplined.
Danish. Ooh. Oh, great rebound. What a rebound. All right, going all the way, I think. Oh, and what a block. What a block. And that's it. I think that's it.
That's the game.
That's the game for you. They'll be wise to dribble it out. Teammates begging each other to hold the ball. And there it is. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen.
That's it. That's all she wrote, guys. A great showing by T6.
And MMR? Okay, couldn't. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was it. Thank you for joining us. 2 seconds left on the clock. Bahia should just look to dribble the ball out. Bahia looking to encourage their teammates to hit a half-court shot. I'd advise just dribbling it out. And there it is. And there it is. That is the game, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. And good night.